Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add watermark on your PDF using iLovePDF.com. So basically, go to the iLovePDF.com and scroll down until you see watermark, click on watermark and select PDF file. And as you can see right here, you'll be able to add a watermark. So you can choose a position where you want to put your watermark. And right here, you can choose an image if you want to, or just place a text. So let's say I will put guide to everything. Right here, you can select a text format. I will select a different font size. And basically, you can select if it is transparent or not. So I will go with the 75%. And for the rotation, do not rotate. And right here, you can select the pages from the first page to the final page, or just for pages that you want to add a watermark. And right here, you can add over the PDF content or below the PDF content. I will go over the PDF content and click add watermark. Now we can download PDF with watermark, as you can see like this. And now it looks like this. It added this guide to everything watermark. You can make it smaller, but I made very big font size, so that's how it looks like. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.